the best wig that I have ever owned. No one would know that this is a wig. Okay, now that I am looking like a crazy bald eagle, I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like on the inside. This wig is so well made. This is what it looks like up close. Lace right around the front, which you cut once you get it and put it on your head. You cut it to fit your head. Here is the inside. There is 2 clips right here. There are 2 little clips on the side, and then there is 1 clip at the base. It does come with a strap that you can sew in to kind of secure it around the base of your neck. I did get the one that has the darker roots and it fades into the blonde, and the reason I did that was so that I would be able to use a little bit of my own hair and blend it in towards the front. So we're gonna start here and then securing that back clip. Find those front clips and clip that in place so that it's nice and secure. You have those little clips on the side that you can clip in. You can style your wig as you want. So I started off with just making sure that everything was nice and detangled. I separated my hair into 2 sections and just took pieces and just wrapped it around. Just wrapping it so that there's a few inches left at the bottom, and then I would let it go. And that is how I curled my hair all over. I did all the curls away from my face. It gives it this nice, like, messy, beachy wave, like effortless look. When I get to the front, of course, I will take a little bit of the wig and a little bit of my own hair and curl those together with the wand. Just curl those together so that it obviously blends well. You can totally leave it down and, you know, rock it out like this, like so pretty, you guys. Oh my God. Take a little bit of this powder and then just go right along that cap and then right along my hairline. That way it all blends seamlessly, because the goal is to have it look as real as possible. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. I just think it is so gorgeous. And I just pulled a little bit of it back, the bobby pin, and I pull it through. I have this, which is so old. I just put this right here. You guys, this is so cute. New hair, no damage. I could be deep conditioning my hair underneath of this. This is my new wig from UniWigs and I'm obsessed with it. Now I've got blonde in my hair and I didn't have to use bleach, so my hair is good to go.